What's up guys, today we're gonna have a face off with analog versus digital. We've got the DJI system here and I'm running my old toothpick build here, and we're gonna see if we have interference. So I know it depends on what channel you're on, but I'm not gonna touch anything. I use what is it, R1 race band 1. And do you know what channel you're on? Default, right?
Default, yeah.
Yeah, he didn't change it. So right, let's go and see. Alright, so I've got signal. Let's see you plug in and see what happens. My signal is quite clear. So far I'm still clear. So he's got the DJI controller, the whole shebang. And what's the name of that drone again?
This is an
iFlight something. I'm sure you guys have seen that one before. I just flew it. It's pretty neat. By the way guys, I just flew digital for the first time, and just like everybody else, it blew my mind. And yeah, it's gonna be really hard. So he's off. So far I can see in my goggles that there's like a line going across my screen. I don't know if I can show you that. I'll probably show you in the DVR, but it's still clear, so let's see what happens. Okay guys, I'm very backlit. It's very poorly done here, just spur of the moment. So let's go and see if I can get any interference. See, we're like standing right beside each other. Oh, he's over there. Here we go. Okay, and we're off. So far it's working quite fine. All I can see is a few lines going across my screen. I'm sure this has been documented before, but this is just my experience. But it's a consistent digital signal, because if you go near Wi-Fi, you kind of get the same interference. And when I come close, very clear. Yeah, this is doing quite fine, guys. If you got a friend who's flying digital, don't be afraid. It can be done. It's not perfect, but it can be done. And maybe if I change channels, I might find a channel that's like not interfere with it. Oh god. By the way, I love these 1S drones because they're so quiet. You're gonna hear me. I could get DJI of that. I heard you in too. Bro, this is the thing is, I haven't flown this one in on HDR. There we go, I wonder it now. There we go, underneath the Jeep. Woohoo! That's it guys, we're having fun. Digital and analog. Dude, I don't know why, but this looks amazing.
That's awesome.
Oh, I see you, I'm following you. Holy shit!
Are you really?
Yes! Bro, I'm like trying to follow you. Deep. Oh, you're flying everywhere. Too fast. Oh, I just saw you. Dude, I was like right beside you for a while. That's really good.
That's awesome.
Because if it goes too low, the battery gets bad.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah. There you have it, guys. It works really well. So for me, I think the next thing I want to get is a shark bite system, because I can put that possibly into one of these toothpick drones, and that would be nice for me to try. But for now, I love my analog, and I know that the future is coming where it's going to be able to get digital in one of these, and that's, yeah, I think that's where it's at. What do you say, bro? Woohoo!